Hi everybody! The secret to growing vegetables at home without watering is still green for housewives. This 3-minute video will guide you how to grow vegetables, helping women no longer need to go to the market to buy vegetables. The first step is to cut the bottom of the plastic bottle to hold water. Next, I will cut a hole in the bottle cap to thread a fabric string through. This fabric string will help absorb water at the bottom of the bottle and place them in like this. Above I poured soil to plant such plants. Now I will cut a large branch into small branches like this and then drop them into a glass of water. After 3 days the roots will grow strongly and be ready to plant in the tray. Now I will plant them in soil. Thanks to the fabric string, water will be guided from the bottom of the vase into the soil, keeping the soil at a stable moisture level, creating good conditions for plant roots to grow. With this method, you do not need to have a large garden or a lot of land to still have vegetables to eat all year round. In particular, just by growing at home, vegetables will not be damaged and are very clean. Thank you everyone for watching the videos on my channel. Please subscribe to receive the next videos. Hope this little idea will be useful for housewives. See you every week with a video.